Batch number 5.
Good day, everyone, especially to our judges. Here are voices. Cool the planet. A youth goes to action. Have you ever felt a heat so intense that it seems to melt everything around you? What about missing school? Because it's simply too hard to learn. These are only few indicators of every significant problem. Our planet is becoming hotter. This heat wave is not only uncomfortable but also deadly, resulting dehydration, heat stroke, and even school closure. But here's the good news. We, the people, can make a difference. We cannot control the weather, but we can control the level of preparedness. So that's why we scream, no more lack of youth empowerment. We deserve to be educated and participate in our community service. So that's why my advocacy is about lack of youth empowerment and disaster preparedness and response. So if I will be ang Mutyahu Sika Tuna, we will be having a workshop, training, and youth involvement about the disaster plans to learn heat safety and disaster preparation. Let us be the generation that not only survive but thrives in a changing world. Again, I am Rodney Nobata, your Mutya number 5.